Alright guys, welcome to the next part of this Instagram growth sprint, and in this video we're going to talk about Instagram Reels. Guys, and I have already made 2 videos on the Reels topics. Once the Reels were rolled out in Switzerland as well, I made some tutorials how to use it step by step and some ideas as well how you can utilize Reels and incorporate it into your Instagram strategy. Alright guys, and in this video we're going to create with you 1 Reels, and I'm going to guide you through the beginning until the publishing of your Instagram story Reels. All right, let me turn on my phone screen recording, and I have prepared already a video. I was recording a short tutorial that I want to publish as Reels on my Instagram. So this was a screen recording about how to make the rainbow around your avatar, and I just did screen recording. All right, you can use any kind of videos, and you can use the Reels itself. You can start and then stop, start and stop to make the video more dynamic and have different parts. But for the sake of this tutorial, I decided to use this type of video. It's kind of easy to use, and this kind of videos people really love watching because it's really small trick, and many people are actually wondering how to do this circle around your avatar. And I have also prepared the cover for my Instagram Reels because I don't really like to take the screenshot from the video itself because it doesn't really look appealing for my Instagram account. So I have created using Canva, using my brand font, the cover, so the one that I'm going to use for the Reels. And yeah, I just wrote the title, how to make the rainbow circle around your avatar. And then I also made a screenshot and also pointing out the arrows so people can really understand what I'm talking about and what's going to be this short tutorial about. Okay, so I have never published on my Instagram account, this Instagram account by Social Mafia, Reels, so it's going to be the first time. I'm going to press on the plus sign and you can create here the Reel for the first time. All right, now we have the camera roll open, and Instagram wants us to record the video with a maximum of 15 seconds, and then you can choose audio, you can enhance it with different Instagram filters, but all about this I was talking in my other videos, and you're gonna find the link in the description box. So we're gonna upload the video that we have already made, and I'm just gonna swipe to the swipe up kind of, and then choose the video that I want to use. All right, I'm going to use that video, but before we start uploading it, I want to cut it a little bit because it's a bit too long than 15 seconds. So I just will cut it where I start to speak. So that is fine. All right, so this is fine. Now the next thing that I want to do, I'm not going to add audio here because since I'm talking on this video, I don't want people to be disrupted by any kind of sound. So, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on next. So once you're ready with your video, you can add stickers here, you can add some whatever you want to draw, you can add the text. I'm not gonna do anything here because it's already kind of busy because I'm showing a lot of things on my screen, but you can go ahead and do this. So let's say if you want to write text, I'm just gonna write hello there. Whenever you write text and you want to put it to a specific part of your story, you just go ahead and choose this part, and the first text is gonna be where you indicated. I'm not gonna do this, so I'm just gonna delete it. So once you're happy with the video and you can start choosing the cover, I'm gonna add it from the camera roll, the one that I was showing you. And if you want to create a custom cover for your Reel, then you need to choose the Instagram story format of the cover because other covers, other sizes won't really work. All right, so I'm happy with the way it is. I'm gonna go ahead and say how to make rainbow circle around your avatar. Watch this short tutorial. You can also optimize your Reels with hashtags. So I'm just gonna write a couple hashtags: Instagram tutorial, Instagram trick, Instagram tip. All right, so here you go. It's ready, and you have this option here, also share to the feed, and I highly recommend that you keep this button switch because your reel is going to be shown in your Instagram feed, and that's why we made this cover, so it's going to be looking overall cohesive with my other pictures. And this is very important because reels now, once we're going to publish, I'll show you that it has different tab on your Instagram, and if you disable this button, your Instagram reel is going to be shown only on this tab, and no one is going specifically to this tab to watch just reels, okay? People are watching, either they're scrolling through their feed and then get this new update, new content, or they don't do anything else. So no one is going specifically to different tabs to search for different, to explore different types of the content. I recommend to always keep this button enabled so that you can reach more people. And I'm gonna go and share it. It takes a little bit of time to share this image, which is gonna wait a little bit. So now you see that I have a feed button, IGTV, and the tags tab. So 3 icons. So once the Reels is gonna update, now you see we have an additional extra tab. And that was what I was talking about. If you don't enable the button share on the feed, you will only have your Reels over here in this tab. What I wanna do here is now I can share it in your Instagram story, which is also pretty cool. So people can actually watch it. All right, so I'm just gonna share it in my Instagram story. I don't know, for some reason it doesn't update, but it should be updated on the Reels as well. Okay, I guess it will take some time because it's my first Reel and maybe it's just an Instagram glitch, but it should work, and you should have your Instagram story, Instagram Reel also published on your Instagram feed. Alrighty guys, that was it for today, and I really hope that you will watch the first part of the Instagram Reels tutorial, how to use all of these buttons, how to crop, cut, add music, add text, and other things. It's all in the tutorials that I have made already before. And I'm going to see you in the next video. In the next video, we're going to talk about Instagram Live.